Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Etsy ads for better listing visibility, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Etsy ads, log in to your Etsy account. From the Etsy homepage, navigate to the Shop Manager section. In the Shop Manager, find the Marketing tab in the left-hand menu. Click on Marketing, and then select Etsy ads from the drop-down options. On the Etsy ads page, you will see an option to set up your ad campaign. Click on the Get Started button. Next, choose your daily budget. Consider how much you're willing to spend daily for ad visibility. Etsy will show you a recommended budget based on your shop size and goals. After setting your budget, decide which listings you want to promote. You can select individual listings or promote all your active listings. Review the estimated daily impressions and clicks for your selected listings. Once satisfied, click on the Continue button. Etsy will then ask you to review your campaign settings. Make sure all details are correct before proceeding. If everything looks good, confirm your settings by clicking Submit. After submission, your ads will be reviewed by Etsy for compliance. Once approved, your ads will go live, and you'll start gaining visibility. You can monitor your ad performance in the Etsy Ads dashboard. Adjust your budget or listings based on the performance metrics you observe. Remember to regularly check your analytics to optimize your advertising strategy. Following these steps will help increase your shop's visibility through Etsy ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.